Hey everyone, myself Bhavya Goyal, a student at IIT Gandhinagar. I welcome you at CodeChef and let's have a look at this question. So yeah, today's question is Kannada orbs. In this question, chef has R red orbs, B blue orbs, and zero green orbs initially. He can buy one green orb at the cost of one red orb and one blue orb. Now he needs to give both the red and blue orbs in order to buy one green orb. Initially, Chef has a skill of level 0, but he can increase his skill by using these orbs. So one red orb gives him increase in his skill of by 1. One blue orb gives him an increase in his skill by 2. And one green orb gives him an increase in his skill by 5. Now we need to find the maximum skill that Chef can obtain by doing the trades wisely. In the input, we are given two integers, R and B, that is the number of red and blue orbs. In the output, we'll need to print a single integer that is the maximum scale that chef can obtain. In the constraints, we are given that R and B will lie in between 1 and 10. Now let's see the first sample input. So we have 3 red orbs and 4 blue orbs. So the maximum skill chef can get by trading those orbs is, so for chef, it's best to trade 3 of red and 3 blue orbs and get 3 green orbs. So the total skill he can get after that would be 3 times 5, which is 15 for the green orbs. He'll be left with 0 red orbs. So plus 0 for the 0 red orbs and plus 2 for the 1 blue orb he still has. So in total, he has 3 into 5, 15 plus 2, 17 skill in the end. In the second, we are given 2 and 1. So chef can trade one red and one blue orb for one green orb. So that one green orb will give it a skill of will give him a skill of 5. And this one red orb, which is still left, he can gain a total of 6 skill level. Right. Now let's see the solution. So notice here that red increases the skill by 1, blue increases the skill by 2, and green increases the skill by 5. And to get one green orb, it takes one red and one blue orb, right? So earlier we were getting, if we have more than one and more than one red and blue orbs, then we can get 1 plus 2, that is maximum of 3 skill by not trading. And if we trade, then we'll be getting a skill of 5. So obviously it's always better to trade the green orb, right? So it's always better to get as many green orbs as possible. So what is the maximum green orbs that we can get? That would be the minimum of A and B, right? And how many red orbs will be left with? It would be A minus whatever this min is. And the blue orbs we are left would be B minus 7, right? Now what is the final skill that we can gain? That would be the leftover A, 1 times A plus 2 times B, 2 times B plus 5 times this ML, which is nothing but an answer, right? So this is all we need to do, taking the input of A and B and print this thing after doing this. So now let's see the code in Python first. So we'll begin by taking an input of A and B using this function. So what are we doing here? First of all, taking the input of the whole line as a string and we split it with respect to spaces. So it gives us a list of strings. And using this map function, we convert that list of strings into a list of integer. And we map those integers inside this A and B. Then we take this min of A and B, we subtract mn from A, we subtract mn from B, and we print our answer. So this is pretty much the whole solution in Python. Now let's see the solution in C++. So we begin by taking in the input of A and B. We take the min of A comma B. We subtract this min from A. We subtract this min from B. And in the end, we simply print 1 times A plus 2 times B plus 5 times mn, which is our answer. The time complexity of both the solution in Python and the solution in C++ is constant because we're just doing some constant number of operations. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Thanks.